we are always talking about the macro mode, what we call interactive optical zoom. And we found that not everybody knows how it works now. We made some serious improvement there. Yes, we can press the button and we can find the maximum optical resolution for desired object. This is ideology of ElarScan. This is macro buttons. You can control the optical zoom both from the cockpit of the scanner and from the software. And yes, it was all the time. But it was a problem that we discussed long time, that it's not easy for operator to understand which optical resolution, which output resolution he is working right now after changing the optical zoom. Now it's very easy. You please take a look to the fresh software and check the interface with any ElarScan. Now you can select the format you are scanning. Scanner automatically change the optical zoom, and most important, you see in the window, you see the resolution, which is output resolution there. This is interactive process. So you are changing the format. You can define the format in DIN units. You can define the format in millimeters, and yeah, why not inches? But yeah, it's Russian tradition. C system. This is okay for half of the Europe. And I changing the format, we see how automatically changes the output resolution. So if we need to scan A3, we see that we are scanning with 420 dpi. If we need to scan with 450 with 600 dpi, the scanner goes to the zoom which allows this output resolution. This is very important thing, and you see now in every ElarScan we have interactive system to control the output resolution depending to the format. If operator needs to scan with exact resolution, he defines the resolution and sees the format which he is doing. If they need to scan the exact format, they define the format and see output resolution. And this resolution, of course, it goes to metadata of the file. Yeah, and really, you know, we are scanning much better than in our technical characteristics. And this is a problem of our sensor. So the formal resolution is really lower than the quality of the image. This is a 400 model with 24 megapixel camera. We can achieve 900 or 1000 dpi with that and use this like microscope. Yeah. You can imagine how the scanner works with 100 megapixel camera in configuration of C2800. Yeah, so this is, we are talking about the universal scanner, which is following to the highest standard of the quality for the quality of the image. And this is universal scanner in terms of you do not need separately the large format scanner and separately high resolution scanner. You have the universal ElarScan, and you can scan with the highest resolution, and you can scan A2 format with that.